Okay, so we've removed the Lucky Man. Now we're going to take a look at the AIERXUAN and see how this one gets installed. Right off the bat, it's a little bit different. The bottom is actually 3 pieces, where the Lucky Man was 2 pieces. But we'll see if this is actually a better fit with the way they have it designed, or if the other one fit better. So make sure you undo the buckle, and we've attached one on this side, one of the discs, which, just like the other one, it's going to slide. And this one has a latch that's going to also slide. So one of the discs and one of the latches. I already have the seat on this side pulled and loosened so that we can just get right to the install on it. And then again, these discs are kind of finicky. You want to just push them up and make sure both sides are over and through. There we go. You feel it when they actually go all the way. And then make sure that this is under the latch again, especially if you're going to have a baby seat installed. And now you want to go ahead and pull this side up. You've got the side here, you've got the one latch here, and there's the one latch here. Just like the other one, you want to go ahead and fish this through, and then go ahead and latch these two on. Make sure it's on properly and tight. We'll come back and kind of pull it for the contouring. And then now let's go ahead and attach the other side, and then we'll do the center. I think that would be the best approach. We're going to go ahead and do this side. You want to go ahead and pull this up first. And just like the other one, make sure all your latches are undone and ready to be pushed through. We've got 2 again. We've got 1 disc, and we've got one of the latch bungees on this side. So the latch one is through, and the disc one is almost through. Again, if need be, you can just go back here. There we go. That one is through. Now pull this up, and again, don't forget about the side one. Fish that through here. Find the other one that's dangling down here. Bring that through. Snap it in place. We don't need to worry about the perfect fit just yet. Okay, the center piece here, one thing to pay attention to, you've got the side that actually comes in on both ends. That's for the opening of the seat belt back here. So you want to make sure you have that right. And to keep it uniformed, we actually have the discs going on this side, and we've got the metal hooks on the opposite side. So let's go ahead and put that on. And this part is very different than the Lucky Man, because like I said, again, this one requires the middle piece to be latched on separately, where the Lucky Man just kind of went around the sides there. That's not all the way through, but I'll get that through the back again. Okay, so that's through, and it's really meant to actually pull the end of this through there. And then we've got the latches here. I gotta figure out. Okay. You want to try to find those and bring these around. And I think you can latch it onto either one. You don't want to latch it to the opening one because it might pop out, but there's 2 circular ones you can attach to. And same thing on the other side. Pull it up again and attach that. When you move the seats, you'll see this happen on both of them. The discs sometimes slide out, which is not a problem because we're not finished with the full install yet. So you can always pull them back through and straighten them out so that they actually stay back there. This has a Velcro on it, which you can adjust pretty easily. Make sure this back here is pushed all the way in. That's Velcro down. This has the Velcro here. Pull that up. and under. Again, make sure the seatbelt buckles are not in the way. And pull it slightly just to make sure you're getting all the material nice and straight. Okay, not bad. Let's do the back part. And then you'll see again that this is a little bit different than how the Lucky Man was installed. You've got the discs again to slide those back. These two actually kind of line up on each other, so we'll see how that works out. Just like that. I'm not done with it yet. I'm going to actually slide this forward and pull everything out from back here. And this right here will just actually unbuckle, as you can see, and go under and the other side over. And it only covers the front of your headrest. Same thing on this. We're going to go ahead and actually, you know what I'll do is do the top first to keep it from flopping down while I'm installing. And I think that's easier, pushing the discs through. This last piece here does zip together as well, but we'll do that in a second. I just want to make sure these are pushed through. And make sure you also still see the previous ones that you had pushed through, and those are still there. They do have a tendency to kind of come back out. I'm going to attach this one to the back. And let's zip the last part, and make sure when you're doing that, the seatbelt is over it. And this is probably the most interesting part of the install. There we go. You notice, by the way, on both of them, you do lose the ability, unless you leave this unzipped and exposed, you're going to lose the ability to have access to the armrest and the middle armrest here. We'll go ahead and install the middle one here the same way as we did the other sides. So compared to the Lucky Man, this actually fits, which is nice, but you do have to take it out. There's no way you can latch it on with that little space in the back. So I'll take that off, latch it on. It's not perfect, but it covers it. All right, I hope you guys found that to be easy. It's an easy install for the AIERXUAN F-150 truck. And by the way, if you guys want to see a comparison between this and the Lucky Man, check out our other video as far as the comparison in quality and feel of the two covers.